This is a teardown of a Impulse branded brake controller for trailer brake in a vehicle. There's no model number on it, and I don't even know if it works, so I figured I might as well tear it apart. And I can't quite figure out how it goes together. I think it's snapped together. So I think I'm just going to give it the floor treatment. Woof! Uh-oh. Everything went everywhere. Wow. A little springy thing for the button. Oh, and a knob. Oh. There's a knob on the potentiometer for adjustment. Has a little hex bit sticking out of it. Alright. There's top shell. And it snapped over these little clips here. So, here's the main PCB. See if I can extract that from the housing. That metal plate's pretty heavy, considering. Just trying to understand what's going on here. It's holding on. I think this metal plate's acting as a heatsink for these transistors here. Fairly sturdy steel clip there. Oh boy. There we go. Yep. Pretty sure that's steel. Give it the old magnet check real quick. Oh no, it's aluminum. Oh, okay. Are these aluminum? Nope. These are metal. Or steel, I mean. A weird ring to them. Little tuning fork. But here's the control PCB. See what these transistors are. Might not be able to. Let's see. I'm going to bend them over. It's hard to read. IRF Z44E maybe? Or is that? I don't know. Let's see if maybe enough. Unfortunately, I don't think I'm able to do much better than I did. Lost the right lighting to catch them both. Ooh, that was readable. IPS 5451. I feel like that's simple. I should recognize it, but I don't know what it is. A lot of through-hole components, clearly fairly old. So hard to, there we go. LM6132 and LM393N. Focus, please. Yeah, it's such a crapshoot trying to get that stuff. Maybe with the flashlight on. Let's see if I can turn the flashlight on without dumping the camera. Touching the camera is always a risky move. LM393N. Yeah, it's always hard to read that stuff. I'll pull the label off the IC chip here and see what it is. The big chip. It'll let me. Awfully big, so I think it's... Oh, wow. Well, I wasn't expecting that. It's a microprocessor. The Zilog branded. Unfortunately, there's adhesive residue on it. That sticker did not come off very clean. I'm not committed enough to get it properly clean. Looks like Z86E6116PSG. Z8 4K OTP. I wonder if that means it has 4K memory. It has a nice little dual 7-segment display for output purposes. I've never seen one mounted like that before. That's interesting. So it has through-hole leads coming out just one side. And then obviously they bent them over so they could front mount it. Or I guess it could have been bent like that from the factory for this kind of front mounting. Normally, if anything, you'd see 2 rows and then they'd have a plastic structure that would stagger them down at an angle so you could get a front-facing display without having a vertical PCB. But yeah, I don't know what this is. Listed, or it's marked as R23, so I don't know if that's supposed to be a 0 ohm resistor maybe for like high current purposes. Pretty beefy diode there. This is actually more interesting than I thought it'd be. And nothing to see on the bottom. It's looks like double-sided PCB, but it's just all old school through-hole components. So yeah, that was more interesting than I could have expected. So hopefully that's interesting, and thanks for watching.